Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Scenario Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the fresh watermelon with mint juice. Continue the video to know how we will make it. Here we have watermelon pieces. I cut it into small pieces and I removed the seeds and I keep it in the freezer to get cold. And we will keep it in the freezer because the watermelon juice will not need too much water because it have too much liquids. So it have to be too much cold, and you can leave it in the freezer then use it when you want it. We will need also for mint leaves and 2 small pieces of fresh ginger. Also for sugar, if you want it you can add it, if you don't want you can remove it. And lemon juice, cold water with ice. Now let's see how we will make it. Now I will add the watermelon, mint leaves, 2 pieces of ginger and sugar, lemon juice in the mixer, and I will mix them. Then after I will add the cold water with ice. While you finish the video and you have any question, you can ask it in the comments and I will answer you in the same day. Now I will close the mixer and I will start to mix them. It will take too much time, so you can add half of the watermelon then half, but I add all the watermelon. So here I add some water and I mix little so it will be easy. Then I complete mixing. I wish you are enjoying the video, so don't forget to share it with all your friends to try to make this watermelon with mint juice. Here I will add the cold water with the ice and I'll close the mixer and I will complete mixing. And this is the result, and also I will appear 2 cards on how to make the lemon with mint juice and papaya with pineapple juice. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and write your comment. Bye, see you in the next video.